Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Freedom Mortgage account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type freedommortgage.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the homepage of Freedom Mortgage. If you scroll down, you can look at lots of features provided by Freedom Mortgage. But for now, we only want to log in. At the top right of the screen, next to this Contact Us button, lies the login. Simply click on it. It will redirect you to another page where you can log in by simply entering your credentials. That is your email address and password. Simply enter both of them. For instance, you forgot your email or password. Here are the links right here. Simply click on them and follow the prompts. That way, you can again regain access to your account. If everything's okay, hit on this login button right here and then you will be logged in to your Freedom Mortgage account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to Freedom Mortgage. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.